Good day, everyone. In my review of related literature, I looked at studies about how the speed of staff service affects customer satisfaction in food establishments. Many researchers agree that faster and more efficient service improves the dining experience, while slow service can lead to negative impressions. This chapter focuses on the review of related literatures and studies. It also discusses various studies related to the researcher study. Winata 2023 stated that service is an intangible experience received by customers along with tangible products of a product purchased. In hospitality, service is given to guests by people or by systems. Moreover, the quality of service depends on who and how the service is provided. This study was correlational to the study above because quality of service is subjective depending on how staff treated the customers. In addition, a study conducted by Gaudier DGS 2025 suggested important variables for increasing the consumer experience are service quality, food quality, and affordability. Also, a loyal customer is more likely to recommend trustworthy brands, which is critical in consumer-driven fast food environments, where brand loyalty makes or breaks a repeat customer. This study was correlated to the current study, since, as what is stated above, that it was a great advantage on having a good service with people is to give them excellent feedback. Furthermore, Akbar and Wadud 2024 stated that customer satisfaction is an evaluation whose results are equal or exceed customers' expectations, while dissatisfaction arises if the result or outcomes do not meet customers' expectations. Also, this study was correlational to the study above because having a clear business goals and providing good service can both contribute significantly to achieving business success. Suraman et al. 2020 stated that service quality is an important thing that should be maintained by all persons who being employee in certain company. Customer satisfaction with a product or service is actually something that is difficult to obtain if the service company or industry does not really understand what customers expect. So the study was related to the current study since, as what is stated above, that it was a great having a speed service because if a customer has a complaint, you respond it quickly so the customer will satisfy and become a loyal. Moreover, Bastani et al. 2024 stated that service quality becomes a distinguishing factor in comparison to other services, as it directly contributes to customer contentment. And then considering the standpoint of service providers, enhancing the physical environment can enhance perceptions of value for the price and can evoke emotional responses in customers, ultimately leading to an augmentations in customer satisfaction. So the study was correlational to the study above because having a good service, food quality so that the customer was satisfied and bring their family, friends, colleagues to try their experience so that they can recommend to others and to satisfy their expectations. In addition, Baguio and Helga 2024 stated that this dynamic industry encompasses a wide range of establishments, including restaurants, cafes, fast food outlets, food trucks, catering companies, and institutional food service providers like schools, hospitals, and prisons. So this study was related to my current study since it's a high customer satisfaction leads to loyalty in the business world, as contented students are more likely to share positive experiences and contribute to the institution's reputations. Additionally, Sirhan in 2019 stated that food services can be found in hospital facilities, nursing homes, child and senior care centers, prisons, schools, and university campuses. Moreover, food services have become essential, yet no prior research has examined the quality of food services in Lebanese university or their impact on customer satisfaction. So this study was related to the current study Since, as what is stated above, that it was a good having a gap by evaluating students' opinions and satisfaction with on-campus food services like in Lebanon, that was mentioned by the researchers, focusing on 5 case areas like food and beverage quality, service, seating, price or value, and overall satisfaction. It also to identify areas for improvement to guide future service and facility enhancements. Furthermore, Mensa 2018 also supported that the story is not different in Ghana, where the number of university food service establishments on university campuses has been on the ascendancy, largely in response to an increase in the number of universities and student enrollment. The increase in student enrollment signifies an increase in the demand for food on the campuses. However, increase in the number of restaurants on university campuses has also heightened. So this study was correlational to the study above because it explores the relationship between service quality, customer satisfaction, and the intention of restaurant customers. In theoretical, this study looks at service quality using 5 dimensions: tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. These factors are linked to both customer satisfaction and customer retention. To measure them, the study uses the Serval model by Parasuraman et al. 1988. Since ServQual does not fully cover restaurant-specific factors, food quality was also included, based on earlier studies. Customer satisfaction in this study is measured through 3 main points: satisfaction with dining experience, customer mood, and waiting time. Customer retention is measured by how likely customers are to keep coming back, also based on past research. Finally, the study uses expectancy disconfirmation theory by Oliver 1980. This theory says that customers compared what they expect with what they actually get. If service speed meets or exceeds their expectations, they feel satisfied. But if service is lower than expectation, they feel dissatisfied, which can negatively affect their dining experience.